Hello, welcome to my gym. Come on in. Hold up. Any good wizard has a source of knowledge and a familiar who I'm training right now. So let's move on in here and we'll head to the front. Come on over and hold up. So the front room is for warm-up, mobility, conditioning. Entire sessions may be held here depending on the client. So let's go ahead and check it all out. And come on in a little bit more. We'll hang out in the middle. And then we'll head on back. So go ahead and follow me on back. So the familiar and sharp turns don't necessarily go together too well. There's a restroom at the entrance. Let's come on over this way. Now we're going to turn. We're going to make this corner. Come on over. Yep, you got this. We got this. Yep, move quickly. Great. So we're going to move back to my accessory room, equipment on both sides. And we come on in here. So the familiar, when it sees mirrors, it can freak out its own appearance and just take off and search and destroy. But we're going to come on around here. We got HEG equipment, restroom, reverse hyper, Nordic tib bar, adjustable dumbbells just like the front. So come on over. We're going to move back into the weight room where most of the work happens. So we got jump boxes, bumper plates, rings, row squat, racks and a stand, kettlebells, barbells, steel plates. We've got it all here. So let's go ahead and turn on over smaller plates, some accessory equipment around. All right. So that's my gym, and this is my familiar in training. Come on over. Let's show everybody how you are. All right. So this is what you look like. Sort of cool, huh? So search and destroy mode. When you see me in the mirror, you may want to go right for me, and that's how we're going to end.